Going today. I'm so excited because our story today is about some pirates. So get ready to get your R's and your mateys out as we listen to this story. Alrighty. So once upon a time, there was a pirate named, drumroll please, Captain Hyde Zero. And Captain Hyde Zero, he did not like the number 0. Arrgh, no zeros allowed or you'll walk the plank, he would say. He didn't like the number 0 because it made him think that he had 0 gold. So silly. Zeros, though, were a no-go. If you showed him a 0, you had to walk the plank. So he had a new member to his crew, Tenway. And Tenway loved to count the 10-way, just like Kipster Giraffe. And so one day, Tenway and one of the other members of the crew, Two Toes, had to count all of the captain's gold. And so Tenway started counting the say 10 way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5, 10-6, 10-7, and 10-8. Tenway was so excited. He was like, "There's 10-8 gold coins." But Two Toes responded, "Hide the 0, matey, before Captain Hyde Zero comes back." And Tenway was like, hide the 0? What do you mean? Two Toes was like, ow, come on. So you have the 10 and you have your 8. Your group of 10 and your group of 8. 10 8s. What you do is you take your 8 ones and you're going to cover and hide that 0. So it makes the number 18. Tenway was like, oh my goodness, that is genius. So the 10, the group of 10 is still really there, but the 0 is being hidden behind the 8. So it's like you're counting 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So when I say 18, you can't tell that the 0 is there, but it's really just hiding behind that 8. Arr, mateys, do you have my gold coins? And they did, and the 0 was hidden. All right, Kipsters, let's stop and take a look at that super fast before we keep going with our pirates. So they said hide the 0. And so that's how we make teen numbers. So teen numbers, if I see 18, it's not really a 1 and an 8, it's really a 10 and an 8. And so I make that by going, so I've got my 10, and then over here I have my group of 8, and when I combine them together, I've got my 110 still, but instead of having 10, 8, I'm squishing it together kind of. So instead of writing the 0, I'm going to write the 8 over it. So I've got 110 and 8 ones. So 18 really shows me 110 and 8 ones. It is not telling me that I've got a 1 and an 8. It said I've got 110 and 8 ones. 18. All right, let's keep going. All right, so today we're going to practice modeling with objects and representing 10 through 20 with hide 0 cards. So here we've got a group of 10 hearts and then 4 hearts. So it's 10 and 4, and then remember that 4 is going to come over and hide the 0. Boom, just like that. The 0 is still hidden under the 4. So I still have my group of 10, it's just that the 4 is hiding the 0. Arr, mateys, hide that 0. All right, so our thinking steps. We're going to count and draw how many are in each group. So if I've got 10, 3, I would draw my 10 circles and my 3 circles. And I'm going to identify my 10 group and the group of 1. So I've got my group of 10 and then my group of 1s. 10 ones. And now I hide the 0 from the 10 with the number from the 1s group. So there were 3 ones over here. So I've got my 10, I've got my 3, and my 3 is going to hide that 0. 10, 3. And so now it's not 10, 3. I say 13. Zeros, remember that 0 is still hiding there, but I can't see it because there's 3 ones covering that 0. All right, so Tenway has some more coins for us to hide the 0 for him. Show me 10, 4, mateys. 10 and 4. Hide the 0. Don't you forget. All right, so we're going to count out our 10 and our 4 first, and then we will hide that 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. All right, so we've got our 10. Oh, hide the 0. You don't want to forget, we don't want Captain Hide 0 coming and making us walk the plank. So we've got our 10 and we've got our 4. Now what I want you to do at home is I want you to write the team number that we would get when we hide the 0. I'll give you a minute, write that team number, and then we'll see if that matches what we have. All right, you got it. You didn't get tricked. Did you hide the 0? All right, I don't want Captain Hide 0 coming after you. Let's see. So we've got our 10 and our 4, and the 4 is going to do what? You got it. Let's see. Great job hiding that 0. So, is the 0 really gone? No, it's just behind the 4, right? So this is still showing us that there's 10 ones, a group of 10, and then a group of 4 ones. And this number is called what? This is 14. So 14 is a group of 10 and 4 ones. Is it a group of 1 and a group of 4? You got it. That 0 for the 10 is just hiding behind the 4. job hiding that 0, mateys. Let's see if I can trick you on another one. I want to see someone walk the plank today. Hi, guys. Show me 10, 2. 10 and 2. But don't forget at the end to hide that 0. All right, let's count it out. So we're filling up the first thing we're doing is we're filling up these 10 frames to match our number 10, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So now what are our 2 numbers that we're combining? Got it. Oh, don't forget we have to hide that 0. So we've got 10 and we've got 2. Go ahead and hide that 0. See if you can get it before Captain Hide 0 comes to make you walk the plank. All right, you ready to check your number? Let's see if it matches what we have. What is it? Interesting. All right, let's see. So what's going to happen? Oh, the 2 is going to hide that 0. Kipsters, your brains are so big. So now this number is, you got it, it is 12. But 12 is not 1, 1, and 2 ones. It is a group of 10 and a group of 2 ones. And we know that because the 2 is just hiding that 0. Arrgh, mateys, you got it this time. I will get you. Great job hiding that 0. Show me 10, 2. Oh, 10 way. We just did 10, 2. Show me a faster way. I see his point, Kipsters. So there's an even faster way that we could fill out these 10 frames. So I know, let's see, he's going to tell us to hide the 0. There he goes, hide the 0. So before we do that, we can make our coins disappear or go into the 10 frames even faster. So I know that one row has 5, so I can put 5 in at one time if I'm trying to make 10. So I know 10 is made of 2 5s, so I can fill out 5 and then 5. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to fill in 5 at one time. So I've got 5 at the top. When I see that top frame filled, I automatically know it's 5. I'm going to do the same thing right now with the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing, just fill it in. 5 and 5 is 10. Easy peasy. All right. Now we only have 2 left though, so I'm not going to fill in 5 because that would be too many. I'm just going to do 1, 2. So this is something that you are going to need when you do IXL this week, is filling out the 10 frames. If you are counting and you feel the best when you're just doing it one by one, go for it. If you want to challenge yourself and you see groups of 5 and you have 5 in at a time, push yourself to do it an even faster way, a more challenging way. Hide the 0. We already did that 2 toes, but we'll do it again for you. So we've got our 10, we've got our 2. The 2 is going to do what? Make 12. 2 is hiding that 0. Mateys. So remember, when you are hiding the 0, the number from the ones group is going to hide the 0 in the tens. So 13 is not really a 1 and a 3. It's a group of 10 and a group of 3 ones, and the 3 is hiding the 0 in the 10. All right, Kipsters, I hope you had a fabulous, fun time learning about hiding the 0 with our pirates today. Remember, the team numbers, they're not a 1 and another number. They're a 10 and a group of ones. And we'll see you tomorrow.